First add a sphere and shade it smooth. Then move it up on Z axis. Go to preferences and enable the cell fracture add-on. Then select object, quick effects, cell fracture. Set the recursion value to 2 and noise to 1. Delete the sphere. Select them all and set to individual origins. Now scale it down a bit. Select any random part and add rigid body physics. Set the friction to 0.8. Again select them all and go to object, rigid body, copy from active. Now add a plane and apply the rigid body physics. Change the light source to sun and set the power value to 2.5. Select any random part and add an image texture. Now select all the parts and click copy material to selected. And this is the result. Please subscribe, like and share, and thanks for watching.